Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to edit the business LO theme using the hybrid composer. In this video we are going to see 4 points: how to edit the pages. These are all the pages for the website. Then we will see in a particular page how to add, remove or duplicate widgets. These are the widget areas. We'll see how to add and remove them. Then we will see how to link the menus to the respective pages, and since we have number of pages here, we will create one page and we will duplicate the pages. So we will see how we will duplicate and edit the pages. So to begin with, I am going to the heritage restoration sections, flooring. This is one of the pages templates we have taken. We will see how to edit this area. You can see here there are 3 sections. You will simply go to the edit page. So you can see here flooring. I will just open this link in the new tab so that you understand better. You can see here flooring. You edit this section. I have just put flooring 1 so that it's easy for you to understand, and I'll click on update. You can see the page is flooring. When I refresh, it will become flooring 1. See? So same way you can see here services and skills of LO business, services and skills of LO business. So when you edit this, you can see the output here. So the second thing is there are sections. You can see here interior design, then renovations and building, then we have outdoor and garden. You can see the same thing here: interior design, renovation and buildings, and outdoor garden. So it's very simple to edit these things. So you'll go to the first section. If you want to change the interior design title, this one you can change there. If you want to change the super solutions, this one you can change accordingly. Then you can see here building or infrastructure. You can see I'm just editing this so that it is easy for you to understand. Building, so interior design 2, and here is the description text. You can see donate, so I'll just put it as donate 3. So I've just made 3 small changes and I'll update it. So you can see here now this building will change to building 1, and interior design will change to interior design 2, and donate will change to donate 3. So here I'm refreshing. So you can see building, interior design 2 and donate 3. So you have the same text here. So now here you have the images. If you want to edit the images, you can add or remove the images here. So for example, there are 4 images. I'll just remove and keep 2 images. I'll update. You here, instead of 4, you will just see 2 images. See, this is how it is. So you don't need to go too much into the detail. If you want to add another one image, you will just click on plus. You can go to the media library, or you can insert. For example, I'm selecting this one. See, now 3 images are there. So here you will see that the third image is also showing up. See, so that is how you can add or remove the image. You need to make sure that all these images are of same height and width. So for example, when you click on this image, you can see the dimensions 800 by 450 pixels. So you have to make sure that all these images are of 800 by 450 pixels. Now if you want to create a new section, for example, there are 3 sections here. If you want to create a new section, you can just duplicate here. So you can see first there is a spacer. We will duplicate the spacer. We will here first we will add a section, empty section, full width one. Okay, it's already here, right? So we will just move the duplicate spacer into this one. Okay, so the page is not scrolling, so we will just try to add it somewhere and add it here. So this is the one. So I'm just putting it here. So you can see here we have the full spacer. Now I will duplicate the outdoor and gardening section. So you can see here you need to duplicate the total section. See, here we have got the total section here. So again we'll just copy this and move it below the spacer. We will change this to something else. Here we have interior design 2, we have renovation and buildings, outdoor and gardening. So we'll change this to something like parking. And I'll update this. Now, so I'll just refresh. And you can see with the same space and same settings, we have the parking section. So the reason we are copying the sections is because we don't need to again make the new designs. So this is how it is. So in case you want to delete any section, say for example, I want to delete the parking section, you simply select the full widget, delete. So it's done. You may want to delete this spacing also as it is not required. And then I will update. Now you will see this parking area is gone. So this is how it is. So in order to add the widget, so for example, I'll show you here we have the button, but in the top section we don't have the button. See, for example, we have the more information button, but here we do not have. So I'll show you how to add the widget. Wherever you want to add something, you will see the plus symbol. You want to add the button below this donut 3, so you'll click the plus symbol. You will get all the widgets here which you can add. So you can add social buttons, you can add progress bar, whatever you want. So we are just going with the button right now. So I'll just put it like read more and add some dummy link. So now I want the button to have the exact same look and feel as here. So what I will do first, I'll go and check the settings. You can see style link, size is default, position is left. So I'll put the same settings here. Style is link, default left. Save settings and I'll update. So now as we have more information here, you will get the read more link here. See, so this is how the editing of the page works. So as you have seen here how to add the widget now, and in the previous you have seen how to delete something. Now if you want to delete this widget, you simply click here and delete it, it's gone. So previously you have seen how to duplicate the widgets. This is how you click here and duplicate the widgets and you can update the page. So whatever updates are there, you can update, and in the front section you can just refresh and see the changes. See, read more is gone. So next we will see how to identify the permalink. So once you have published, you can see the permalink here. Since we are using the classic editor, you can see on the top. So what you will do is for each and every page, you will right click and copy link. This will copy the permalink of your page. Now what is the use of this permalink? We'll see here. Now see, heritage restorations is there, stone and tile, flooring. So in the bottom here you can see in this area for flooring there is a link, whereas for wall ceiling there is no link. It's showing flooring only and hash because we have not yet added the link. So whatever the pages are you are creating, you need to add the link here. So how we are going to do that, I'll show you. So we'll go to the deccan here in the main section, and here you can see the menus, right? So you will click on the menus, and here we are using the main menu 2 on the front end. I'll show you. See, this is the menu: heritage, restoration, stone and tile, flooring. So how these steps are created, we will see. Here, heritage restorations, it is the first step. So this is showing on the top. Then we have put the second step as stone and tile. So it is showing as the sub item here. Then again below that we are adding flooring. So it is showing as the third sub item. So how are you going to add the link? We have put the custom link here. You will just select here and you will copy the link of the page. You can already see flooring page is there. Hence it is showing the flooring link. Now we will see how to add wall ceiling, right? So the simple way is, I have this flooring page. Now I want to use this same template and change it to the wall ceiling, which is the second page. So how I am going to do, just I'll go to the edit page and I will click as duplicate this as draft. You need to remember one thing, this page name is flooring 1, right? So when we duplicate this page will be saved as flooring 1 draft, right? So always we need to remember the title of the previous page. So we will just type flooring. So you can see here, flooring 1, this is the original page, flooring 1 draft is the duplicate page. So I'll just make a quick edit, and I'll see what wall ceiling. I'll save this page as wall ceiling. So I'm just updating. Now you can see this is in the draft mode. So now what I will do, I'll click on the edit. Then I have the wall ceiling page now. With the same settings as the flooring. Now what I will do, I will change this page again according to my requirement, and I will publish it. So the moment I publish, again I get the permalink to this page. See, wall ceiling. Now what I will do, simply I will copy this page, copy link. I'll go to menus. Now wall ceiling, here you have the dummy link, so I'll just copy the link here and I will save the menu. So why you can add this link in the menu before editing? Because it is easy for you to access the page. Now I'm refreshing this page here. So I'll go here, flooring, you can see in the bottom there is a link, and for wall ceiling there is a link. So I'll just click on wall ceiling. Now see, the page with wall ceiling is open. Now I will again go to the edit page and I can edit the page according to my requirement. I can add or remove the widgets or edit the widgets, and I can just update it. So likewise you can duplicate all the pages and you can create the complete website. So